Introduce short overview of Litheli FYELD 500 Robot Lawnmower, Robotic Lawnmower without boundary, auto mapping. How does it differ from other brands? Because, consists of the following features. No wires, no RTK, and no signal loss, the Litheli FYELD robot mower is ready to go straight out of the box. Equipped with AI vision, it detects edges and over 300 types of obstacles, allowing it to navigate your garden reliably and autonomously. 3 mowing patterns. The Litheli Smart Mower offers 3 distinct path options designed for faster coverage, a more uniform finish, and enhanced lawn protection. Litheli App Control. Monitor your mower's status at any time, set flexible mowing schedules, and enjoy the latest features through regular OTA updates, ensuring an optimized mowing experience. Exceptional climbing ability. With a 22 degrees, 42% climbing grade, this mower effortlessly conquers both gentle slopes and uneven terrain, maintaining stability and continuous cutting performance. Memory-powered resume. The mower remembers remaining areas during pauses and resumes precisely, guaranteeing efficient coverage without any missed spots or redundant mowing. In addition, you can press to subscribe button, press to select the bell, to get instant notifications of all future uploads.